Hello everyone, this is National Machinery. Behind me is our GS1000 twin-shaft type concrete mixer. It uses the planetary type reducer with two 18.5 kilowatt motors. This is the belt and pulley of the planetary reducer. This is the hopper of the GS1000 concrete mixer. The power of the lifting hopper is 15 kilowatts. There are total 4 sets of limit switches on the lifting system. When the hopper touches one of them, the control system will stop the hopper. There are 2 limit switches on each climbing rail. When the hopper touches one of them during its rise, the hopper will stop and unload aggregate to the mixer. There is a limit switch at the highest point to prevent the other 2 limit switches from malfunctioning and causing the hopper to fail to stop and hit the top. There is also a limit switch at the bottom of the climbing rail, and when the hopper touches it when descending, the hopper will stop. This mixer uses the electrical automatic lubrication pump, and this mixer has 2 unloading ways for customer to choose. One is pneumatic unloading, uses cylinders as a power resource to control the mixer's door opening and closing. And the other way is hydraulic unloading, uses a hydraulic power system to control the mixer's door. Welcome to contact us if you are interested.